So Margarita Lux is back at Bohemian Gallery. It's a 3-day show.
In 3 days show in Bohemian Gallery.
આજે અમારી પાસે બોહેમિયનમાં છે નવરાત્રી કલેક્શન, ફેસ્ટિવ વેર, સારીઝ, કિડ્સ વેર, મેન્સ વેર અને બહુ જ બધી જ્વેલરીઝ.
So swipe left to check the collection. Hi ma'am.
Hi, I'm Shachi. I'm from Zebe. Zebe is all about trust, quality and its design. Okay. We are here for the first time for our Navratri collection. So like this is our muslin silk. We have four color option and material. We have this pure tissue silk,
right,
woven, hand woven,
and then they have pure dupattas also.
Yes, this one also.
And some
we have pure dupattas
blouses.
Also, and we have blouses also.
Perfect.
And our USP is the color. I think जितने color हम बनाते हैं नवरात्रि में शायद उतने कोई और नहीं बनाता.
Right. Moving on.
Hello everyone, we are Surtal Creation. We are here with our Navratri collection. We have beautiful monochrome pieces, same color blouse, dupatta, 10-meter flared chania.
Pretty.
We also have some festive wear which can be worn in Navratri and on any other events as well.
Lovely.
With the beautiful colors. Our best thing is this kapadas and countries. We specialize in our Kachi collection, so do drop it.
Yes, a brand name called Shruthpeet. Look at their beautiful exclusive pieces. These are all handwork. Look at that. Look at the work. And yes, anything can be customized as well according to your size. Look at this. And then not just that, we have some festive wear as well. Look at these pieces. From pastel to darker shades, they have it all. Beautiful. Brand name again, Shruthpeet. Moving on to next brand, we have Sutra Ved. Hi. Yes, so they have exclusive collection again. Pura dupatta.
With shibori.
This is shibori, nice.
With bandage.
Bandage, yeah. Check that out. Very pretty. Nice. And then festival.
This is the Sharara set.
Yeah.
And we also have anarkalis.
Hi.
Hi.
Brand name?
Eternity by Sakshi.
And look at the blouses they have. Of course, saris and blouses. Look
So these are some of the combinations which we are showing.
Okay.
And then the blouses she'll show.
They have spaghetti blouses. They have beautiful, look at that, ajrak ones. This is especially for Navratri.
Yes.
And look at the cut. Wow, very pretty. Moving on to second brand, House of K. Yeah. Hi. Full sets.
We have some beautiful sets over here which are like monochromatic.
Okay, monochromatic sets.
We have some heavy pieces which you can repurpose for later for weddings and stuff.
Okay, I love that.
We have some trendy pieces as well.
So pretty. So pretty. Yeah, and look at the colors they have. These are all the colors. This is Bala Jewels. Look at that. They have an exclusive collection of brass jewelry, glass fusion with gems. We have, look at that. They're beautiful products. These are all like stackable. Earrings. Again, very exclusive pieces. Something with pearl as well. These are the entire collection. We have Asnis. And then here we have a German silver, Afghani pieces, lot of kadas, bangles, rings, long neck pieces, half sleeves, and a huge collection of only pure. This is a brand called
Hi,
Juhi.
this is Juhi Choksi, and we're coming up with a Navratri collection. You can wear it with
your
as couple outfits.
boyfriends, fathers, husbands,
Anyone.
couple combinations.
Yeah,
Look at
one
that.
more couple options. Something like this in whites and reds.
Pretty.
Completely hand embroidered pure fabrics with dupattas.
Oh, love that. Yes. And then
One of our hot sellers, long top with lehengas. You've already loved these, and we're coming up with new options, new color variations.
wow,
And all of these lehengas have pockets.
pockets. Thank you. And then we have Weave Story here, something like what she's wearing. We have color options in that. Yeah, look at that.
This
Pretty.
is a pure Dona silk concept.
Okay.
Basically, you can wear post Navratri also in your wedding functions.
Right.
We have this
We have
color.
pastel colors.
Yes. We have some pastels as well.
Very pretty. So this is Nirbab K. Look at their new Navratri collection. These are some nice pieces, okay, with 10 to 12 meters of ghair.
This is 20 meters.
20 meters of ghair. And then we have something in silk. Wow, look at this handwork. Very pretty. Yes. Perfect. And with that, they have some festive wear as well and beautiful saris. These are the festive wear. Okay, lovely. And then saris. Check that out.
Hi.
So the brand name is Nirali Amin. They are from Baroda. Yes. So they have exclusive collection of again chanya cholis. Customization is available, but they have ready pieces right now. Look at that for your your haldi outfit. Also for Navratri, you can wear it after Navratri also. Something in red with beautiful printed dupatta. Pretty. So they have exclusive collection. Look at this. Actually, this is one of my favorite. If you check out the live, I've actually worn this one. Look at the blouse in that. Yes, and all red collection. This is orangish red. Oh, rust orange. I love this one. Love. Look at the dupatta they have given. Look at the tassels. This is brand called the D Room. Look at their exclusive collection with all mirror work. Something like what she's wearing. Look at that long blouse. And we have this one. All black collection. Pretty.
Corset style blouse.
Corset style blouse. Beautiful.